here I have Realme Narzo N53, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts from from SIM card to this device. So firstly you should open Contacts application, then go to tab Skip, select Fix and Manage, then here select Import from SIM. Here you can select which contacts you want to import, then after you've done it, just tap Import, and after that this contact will appear here on your device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.